Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Today is your maths class. So we started lesson number 4, division. So we completed exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yesterday, last class, I started exercise 7. Yes, no, children? Exercise 7. I have completed first main, second main. If no, I completed first main and second main. So now we'll go for third main. Third main, divide and check your answer. Divide and check your answer. First one, 4, 8, 9, 6 divided by 34. So you don't know 34 table. What I told? 34 ones are 34. 34 twos are 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. 3 fours are 12, 1 carry, 3 threes are 9, 10. 4 fours are 16, 1 carry, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, plus 1, 13. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, here 2 carry, 5 threes are 15, 16, 17. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 threes are 18, 19, 20. So I have stopped here. Here 34, here 48. So this is lesser, this is greater. So I can't write 34 twos are 68 here, 48 is there. So 34 ones are 34 minus 8, cut 4 fingers, remaining is 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Bring down 9. Here 149. Here 170. No, we'll go for this. 34 fours are, see here 34 fours are 136. Nearest number only you have to go, children. Nearest number. Okay, see here. 9. Cut 6 fingers. 3. 4. Cut 3 fingers. 1. 0. Bring down 6. So it is there once again. 36 it is there. So 34 fours are 136. Remainder is 0. So as I told, this is quotient, this is dividend, this is divisor, this is remainder. How you should check the answer? As I told, quotient into divisor plus remainder equals dividend. The quotient is 144. Divisor is 34 plus 0 because remainder is 0. So you don't know 34, 144. 144 into 34. See, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry, 4 ones are 4, 5. Here plus 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Plus you should put for second step. First step finish, second step. 3 fours are 12. 12, 1 carry. 3 fours are 12. 13. 1 carry. 3 ones are 3. 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4. So here you got the answer. When you do multiplication 144 into 34. 4896 plus 0. So your answer is 4896. So your division is correct. Yes, no, children? 4896. I got my answer. When checking the answer, division, whether you are done correctly or not, this you should check verify this. So check this. Quotient into divisor plus remainder equals dividend. We want the dividend answer. We want dividend. If this answer comes there, so your sum is correct. Let's copy down, children. Yes, shall I rub? The second one, 9323. Divide by 85. So 85 tables you have to do. 85 ones are 85. 85 twos are 2 fives are 10. 2 eights are 16 plus 1 17. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Count up to 8. 85 threes are 3 fives are 15. 3 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 16, 8 threes are 24 plus 1 25. 5 fours are 20. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 33, 34. So here 93. We can't go for this. So 85 ones are 85. Minus borrow 1, 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 0, bring down 2. Here 85 is there. Here 82 is there. What you should do? 85 ones are 85, 85 zeros are 0. So you can write like this. Bring down 3. Here 340 is there. So what I should do? Here 823. Here 850. We will go for this number. 85 nines are 765. So reminder, in 3 you can't cut. So 1, here 1. I borrowed. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. So you can't cut 1 by 6. Borrow 7 becomes, here it becomes 11. Okay children, here it becomes 11. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, 0. So reminder is, so shall I cross check it here? Quotient into divisor plus reminder equals dividend. Quotient how much? 109 into 85 plus remainder is 58. So 109. See here 109 into 85. 5 nines are 45. Here 0 is there, so I'll bring down 4. 5 ones are 5. 8 ones are 8 nines are 72. 2. This 7 I'll bring down. 8 ones are 8. 5. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 carry. 9. So here I got 9, 2, 6, 5 plus 58. So here I'll do 58 plus 58. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 carry. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3. So I got the correct answer. See here, I got the correct answer. Dividend equals 9323. So your sum is correct. So other sums you only practice, children. Okay, you should only practice. Yes, copy this. How to check your answer. As I told, you should add that quotient into divisor plus remainder equals dividend. If you don't know 85 tables, at least you can do 85 plus 85. 10, 16, 17 plus 85. This is 1za, this is 2za. 5, 15, 1 carry 2. This is 3za. 85. 10, 1 carry, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1 carry, 3. This is 4za. So you can go like this, addition. Okay, children, you can do addition for your tables. Not all the tables. If it is more than 20, you can do like this. Okay, up to 20, you should by heart your tables. Let's copy down this. Shall I rub the board? Yes. Still, how much sums are there? 4 sums are there, children. Just you practice all these 4 sums. You just try, okay, and show to your parents in a rough book. What I done on the board, you saw, I explained. Yes, no, children. So you practice other 4 sums. We'll go for word problem. Okay, children, word problem. First one, a hospital, page number 146. Page number 146. A hospital ordered 9,036 new blankets. Blankets, you know, it's a bed sheets. The blankets will be delivered in 3 equal shipments. How many blankets will be there in each shipment? So 3, they'll divide. So here it is 9,036. If they divide for 3, so in each shipment, how much the blanket will go? How much they will deliver in each shipment? So what you should do? Will you do addition? No. We should divide. Here 9,000 change it is there means we should divide for 3. So a hospital ordered a number of blankets. Hospital order. First one. Number of blankets Hospital ordered. How much it ordered? 9036. The blankets will be delivered in 3 equal shipments. So it is 3. So total number, how much children? The number of each shipment. So what you should do? 39036. You know 3 ones are, it's very easy. No, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Minus 0, bring down 0. 3 zeros are 0. Bring down 3. 3 ones are 3. 0, bring down 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So here how much they brought? 3012. Therefore, number of therefore, number of blankets in each shipment delivered. So they are divided into 3. So if it is 9,000, how much it should be equal delivered for 3 shipments, means 3 shipments it should be delivered. So 3 divided, see 3 threes are 9. Here 0, bring down 0, 3 zeros are 0, bring down 3, 3 ones are 3, 0, bring down 6, 3 twos are 6. Yes, it is very easy division. Okay, children, if you learn tables, it is easy. Let's copy down this. If you want to check whether this answer is right or wrong, what you should do? Quotient into divisor. See, quotient is 3012. See, I'll show. 3012 into 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9. I got my answer because remainder plus I can't do, it is 0. So I got my answer. So this sum is correct. Okay, children. So when you do division, when you want to check, just quotient into divisor multiply. If remainder is there, you do plus. Add that. So your answer will come. If your answer correct, if the dividend answer comes correct, the sum is correct. Let's copy down this. Shall I rub the board? A second one, a factory filled 9,342 bottles in 2 hours. They filled 9,342 bottles in 2 hours. If the same number of bottles were filled in each hour, how many bottles were filled? So how many in each hour? See, if the same bottles were filled in each hour, how many bottles were filled? So what you should do? So 1 hour, how much? You should see a number of bottles filled by factory. Number of bottles filled by factory. Second one, number of bottles filled by factory. How much they are filled by factory? 9,342. If the same number of bottles were filled each hour, how many bottles were filled? So how many bottles were filled in each hour? See, number of hours as taken to fill the bottle. Number of bottles as two. See, number of hours as taken to fill the bottle. How many hours it has taken? 2 hours. So total number of bottles. Therefore, number of bottles. So therefore, number of bottles filled by factory each hour, how much it took? So 1 hour they took to fill 9,442 for 2 hours. So each hour means for 1 hour how much they take. So we'll divide. Okay, children. 2 divided by 9,342. So as you know the tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Nearest number. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10 because it is here 9. So 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12. 3 minus 2, 1, 0. Bring down 4. 2 sevens are 14. 0. Bring down 2. 2 ones are 2. So, for 2 hours they filled the bottle to 9,342. They asked the question for each hour. So, for 1 hour how much they are filled? You have to divide. So, for each hour 4671. Your answer is 4671. Let's complete this. See, number of bottles was taken to fill the bottle. 2 hours. Bottles filled by factory. 9,342. Number of bottles filled by factory by each hour. Each means 1 hour. So 1 hour it took 4,671. So complete this, children. So here other sums you can practice in your rough book, children. You can practice in your rough book. Is take out your maths homework book. Take out your maths homework. I'll give you maths homework. Here lesson number 4 has been completed. Lesson number 4 has been completed. Okay, children. Take out your maths homework. I'll give today sums. Lesson number 3. Multiplication. Multiplication. Exercise 3 and 4. One time. I don't want direct answer. Last, when you brought direct answer, I did correction. Next, if you bring the homework for correction, I don't want direct answer. I want the sum step by step. Okay, children? I want the, if one table is there, you can write direct answer. If two number is there, I want plus step by step the answer. How you did, I want the answer step by step. Okay, children? Exercise 3. One number only. So you can write direct answer. Exercise 4, it is one number only. So you can write direct answer, but I want that carry sums and all. So complete this homework and bring for correction. Hope I think multiplication and division came. So complete one chapter, not two pages. Last FA1 and all you wrote two pages. Only max classwork incomplete. So I want multiplication and division should be completed and bring for correction. I don't want any 2 pages, children. Okay, I got angry last. I told every day write 2 pages. You wrote whole week 2 pages. You got 2 pages for correction. No, I want multiplication and division should be completed and bring your homework also for correction. Okay, children. Here I'll end my class. Thank you. Yes.